Good day. I am Robin Lidutuet, studying in the Faculty of Education, and my student number is 25235328. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how he influenced me and what type of teacher I would like to be in the future. I use these quotes and images because it directly states who he was as an educator and individual and who I aspire to be. The teacher who influenced me is Mr. Andre van der Merwe, who also was the principal later. Mr. van der Merwe has a strong character who I believe surely was like the character in the Bible, Job. He had so much patience with everyone, and anything that was meant to bring him down surely made him into the acknowledged and remarkable man he is today. Mr. van der Merwe was kind and he loved everybody, regardless of their backgrounds. And I cannot remember a day that Mr. van der Merwe would put differences between learners. He was the teacher that honestly loved children beyond the classroom or the school premises. He always did more than he was supposed to do, even if it meant sharing his lunch with kids or went to town buy uniforms for some learners. Being an educator out of the community, Mr. van der Merwe set a great example, teaching us that we can wear that gown one day, loving and accomplishing our dreams. He received the utmost respect without opening his mouth, just with his presence. And if we should demand respect some days, it would be without any harsh words or shouting at learners. Andre van der Merwe, the dress code were always formal. Learners would always say, Mr. van der Merwe, the rest how we believed. He put down principles and good characteristics. He taught us to be respectful and have discipline. I believe every day was memorable and stayed with everybody until today. Mr. van der Merwe was the encouragement himself. As a future educator, I aspire to be kind and loving. My desire always was to improve and better individuals. I always wanted to give back to the society and serve young minds to enhance the ability to gain knowledge and experience. The only goal I have is to empower and care for the future generation. I want to be a replica of what I received as a learner, being consistent with encouragement, treating others with respect. Besides the fact that I want to be a loving teacher, I want to encourage discipline daily, knowing that it surely does have an impact on the adult you become. I hope to be more than just a teacher to the learners. I will make sure that my teaching style is creative and fun in in such a manner that I ensure that learners learn something on a daily basis and they enjoy what we are doing in the classroom. During my block in the second semester, my goals are to gain more experience by taking tips from current educators. I want to learn the characteristics to be the teacher I aspire to be. And I also want to have an impact on the little souls I'm going to work with. I want to leave the three block in the in the next semester during my teaching practice. I want to leave knowing that I made an impact and that learners learn from me.